Welcome to Mabaan, or African language. Today we want to focus on word Honda. Honda, what it means in African or Black language, or the language of African families. Honda. When you say "Ya Honda," excuse me, you know, "Ya Honda," excuse me. But when you say Honda, excuse, Honda, excuse. "Ya Honda," excuse me. On Hondanta, excuse us, or Iki honttin, excuse us. So on is we. So in Mabaan tribe language, we use on Hondanta as excuse, like we. We use ikin honti, excuse us. Ikin is us. Honttin is excuse. So on is we. If you use we, then it will change, the word change. So on Hondanta, excuse us is still, we're saying excuse us, we're using we. And if we're using us, ikin honttin, ikin honttin, or ikin honttin eken, they excuse us. Ikin honttin eken, they excuse us. So now you know the word Honda, excuse. Honda means excuse. Ya Hondata, excuse me. On Hondanta, excuse us, or we using we instead of us. We kind of also will be used in Mabaan because on is we, so on Hondanta, excuse us. And again, ikin honti means excuse us. Ikin honttin, excuse us. So this is the word Honda in African language. And today I want, Mabaan to understand better, the word and the meaning. So again, Ya Honda, excuse me. Ya Honda, excuse me. Honda, excuse. And we can move on more to, in Arabic, izin is excuse. Izin in Arabic is excuse. Right? So izin mean excuse in Arabic too.